Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Olaf from Frozen. So I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to start by drawing Olaf's eyes. So they're going to be two circles, okay, and then a circle inside those circles, and then another little circle inside those circles, and then I'm going to color the middle circle black. There's a lot of circles. All right, now I'm gonna give him his carrot nose. So it's not perfectly straight, just a little bit of a wonky carrot nose. And now his little eyebrows. So I just kind of arch up a little bit. A little line and come on down. And same on the other side. Like that. Now, at the top of his head, just a little curve like that. We're going to come on down and give him a little bit of a cheek here. And over here on the other side, we're going to continue on coming down here, the shape of his head. And then we're going to give him a little bit of a cheek here on the side. And then it's going to come on down. And you can see that we're heading inward this way with our line. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little line like this and give him a smile. It's going to go all the way over here. It's going to kind of go past that nose and it's going to go inward here. And he's got a great big tooth. Like that. Now I'm going to do another line going down this way. It's also kind of slanting inward. And then I'm going to close off those two lines. Now Olaf also has some little twigs up on top of his head for hair. So just make all these little twig shapes. They don't have to be perfect. Just like little twigs. Something you'd find on the ground. Like that. All right, now his body. All right, so we're going to do a little curve here. Come on over. And then I'm gonna leave a little bit of room right here because I'm gonna do his arm. So for his arm, we're gonna come on down. It can be a little bit of a wonky line because this is a twig he has for an arm, so it's not going to be perfectly straight. I'm going to branch off here. Branch off. See what I did there? That was a dumb joke. All right, so we're going to make a little finger here and another little one. And come on in. And then we can finish the circle part here. And we can give him a little rock button there. And then we're gonna come on up for his other arm. And like I said, it doesn't have to be totally straight. We want it to be a little bit off looking. And we can give him his little fingers. Give him another one. And then come on in. Like that. And now I'm gonna give him another circle. That's a pretty big one. Now I'm going to do another button and another button. And he's got two little feet. Like that. All right, so now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of Olaf. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodles. Bye!